Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Word Origins 90. The word origin today is bulldozer. Okay, let's take a look at the note here. Today, the term bulldozer mostly refers to a large, powerful tractor with a large, curved, open container in the front. It is mostly used in construction for moving dirt or soil or rocks or stones, and helps in destroying buildings. Okay, let's continue. The origin of the word bulldoze, not bulldozer, but bulldozed, dates back to a time after the Civil War. Remember, the Civil War that was in the 1860s. So after the war was over, we came to this sort of period. Okay. This meant to beat someone up in a cruel and violent way. Some think the bull may be from like a bully, because really that's what they were. They were bullying the African Americans at that time. But in fact, it may also come from the idea of a real bull, because a dose could mean an amount of something bad that happens to someone. In this case, someone that was given a dose of a beating. So they were given a beating dose, basically. So that's the idea, almost like a bull beat you up. Okay, let's continue. African American, bulldozed. All right, yeah. So apparently there were many Southern white racists that would attack the African Americans to intimidate them not to vote, because of course, they were able to vote at that time. They became citizens after the Civil War. The meaning gradually evolved to mean intimidate with great effort or force. Okay, even now, bulldoze as a verb can mean to force someone to do what they want using force or determination and power. So even now it means that you're forcing someone to do something that they don't want to do. The meaning developed further to sometimes just mean push through or overpower, which is just what the modern machine, the bulldozer, does. Okay, so this is really where the idea came from. So it was from that idea that the name was formed, because it could just push through the fields, it could flatten them out, it could overpower anything in its way. So that's where the idea of the bulldozer came from. Okay, good. And we just have one example here. They used the bulldozer to knock down that wall. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it's clear. I hope it was informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.